So go on and share and stop going like an idiot.
See the girl them there.
I wish one of the shit bad girl beat up my sister. But Koya, tell your sister to leave my man alone. I don't know she had chat up the day for a me man. So are you the one who put your hand on my sister? Yeah, and I come beat me now.
David, no, don't do that. Oh, God. Push by your big old sister there. Peer trouble she get money now.
What a drunk on say about me? Say it loud of me here. Who? Who ya call big one? I can't me ya talk about. Hey girl, why you always in a people business, eh? People business? You mean my sister business? You have girl beat up my sister?
Alright, everybody just...
Every time something bad happens to Sharon, have something to do with you. Me not like you, you know?
Come now, why wanna just talk about this? Talk about what? You have man a threaten my life? Who's threatening your life, Day?
Oh, look at dirty girl you that chat to her brother threaten you. Me know man, her brother a gunman. A frigga you. Where you cheat on my sister for? Where you think this is? Then you have the girl put her arm on my sister? No, it not go on so. You're lucky.
Day, the girl said that you was our man. See that your problem in sharing. You listen to everything what everybody said to you. You don't have a mind to think for yourself. Eh? Me not there with that girl there. Listen to me now. Want to stop on the foolishness and get me in a problem, you know? She said that you are her man. That's why she come beat me up.
So the girl just make up lies. The girl just tell lie upon you. You're not there with her. I say I said, right?
Fuckery.
Fuck you say. You
Listen
really
to
sick
me.
my
Or just
stomach.
leave me out on the problem, them, alright? Can't bother with it. Man, I threatened my life. I thought one for stay away from him sister.
Miss Wetty say you're and sister na there. So what am I threatening you for?
You know what your problem, Debbie? You chat too much. I love them in your sister business.
Go on man, somebody here try to take feed that. Not round you so. Not while me alive. Bright. But I don't know why you're there with him. You know nothing better to do? Look how much man they bought. Look how you're pretty. And you pick up that drunk there. You're not ashamed. I can't believe we're related. I can't believe it.
Debbie, just stop being nice now before mommy under the area. Please, me can't bother with the foolishness, Debbie, alright? Me talk to Day later, okay?
Idiot. Can't believe where I get for go.
And Daddy said we can stay for the whole summer. In Florida for the whole summer. I wonder if you bring me to Disney World. And maybe we can get for go on Michael Jackson concert. You think Daddy would do that for me? It'll be so exciting. I just can't wait. We'll have so much fun. What if Daddy make us migrate and get to live up there? That me really want to go school at foreign. That would be so exciting. What do you think? Debbie, you want to leave Jamaica for good?
Jesus Christ. Crosses. Crosses.
Hey baby, walk on. Hi Didi.
You're Debbie, right? Sharon's sister?
Yes, my sharing sister, and who you be? Oh, judging by your look, your pussy, I guess you're daily brother. Me not like your brother, you know?
Really? And why you don't like him? How him do to you? Tell me now, explain. I'm all ears. You listen.
Him a drunker, him a whore, and him don't respect my sister. I don't like him, and I would like for you to tell him to stay away from her. Why you look at me like that?
You're a very pretty girl.
Thank you, me know. But you're kinda cute still, even though you're a daily brother. Him ugly. You can buy me something in the store?
Really? You want me buy you something? Maybe me want drunk or just like Dede. Wait for you. No man. Alright, that cool. But listen, just take it easy on my brother. I know there's a lot for deal with, but not that bad. Trust me.
Alright.
By the way, my name is Daniel. I'm your Dede oldest brother. Dede love his sister, man. I'm just difficult.
Anything you say? You know, some of you wonder if he's one big freaking idiot. My brother tell me about you. Yeah, this up the girl. Man, you gotta leave you, you know. You know, say one woman with money, you don't have sense.
Mommy, what you talk about after me not do nothing? How exactly Daniel tell you? Mommy, me not do nothing.
What you never do yet, eh? You ever say you not do nothing? Be nice and take the girl before she left you for somebody else.
But mommy, I never do nothing to her, I swear. Me just...
Go and waste time with them look up butter ears girl in the community. Me say you not no sense, you know, you see just like you don't pooper. You know, see, me just can't deal with you. Use your head, no idiot.
Yo, you need to learn how to use your sense, you know. It's not like say you have any real talent for you and become somebody. So why you mess up this? Be nice at the Shireen. It will benefit you in the future. Use your head now. Stop move like you one damn idiot. You get an opportunity right in front of your face and you not even use it. Now get you out of the more than problem, you know. Mommy for deal with you. No have no sense.
I can talk to you there, Shireen. What you wanna talk about, Dede? I promise me not gonna make nobody put them on you ever again. None. None of them girls don't mean nothing to me, Shireen. You're the most important person in my life. I'ma love you to death. Love you bad. You really mean that, Dede? I love you, you know? I love you too, Shireen. You're my world. You mean everything to me. Nobody not understand me like you do. And that's why I want a surprise for you. Really? What is it? Shireen, will you be my wife? Oh my god, Dede? Yes! Oh god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I love you so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Love you too, babes. And we'll have a great life together. Promise. I'm gonna make everything good between me and you. I give you the life where you deserve.